What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time joining us, what's up, what's good? I really do hope that you stay, you subscribe, and you become a part of the ZeeX family. So as you guys can see by the title of today's video, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get my beautiful body wave curls. I have done this look many a times on my Instagram, and you guys have been telling me that, girl, this is your look. So I decided to show you guys how to get the look. I have done this video in collaboration with Africanmall, so thank you so much to them for sponsoring this video, and I will leave all the information to this video down below in the description box. So as you guys can see, I'm starting off by sectioning the hair. I section it into three major sections, which is the bottom, the middle, and of course the top or the crown. I do go ahead and make smaller sections in the top, but you guys will see how I do that when we get there. Do find all the products linked down below in the description box.
Bring it, page, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it, touch it, bring it, page, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it.
Images started get me ringing the bell. When I come, I be doing it and doing it well. Then I beat up the coochie and be making it swell.
So as you can see, the first thing that I do is to comb the hair with my rat tail comb, and I follow through with taking my curling wand, which I only use the actual barrel. I do not use the tongue powder or the clasp when I do these curls. For the most part, I just feel like it looks a whole lot better and it won't have the line of demarcation when I do it like this. I did choose to give you guys a slower speed for this back part, just so that you guys can see the technique that I'm using when it comes to the wrapping. You do want to make sure that when you are at the middle parts that you have more of a technique with the way that you curl your hair. For the bottom parts, I'm not as strict. I will show you guys a different method or a different way that I curl on this last strand. You guys will see it in a second, but yeah, these are the two ways that I curl the hair, but you guys will be able to see it more detailed when I do get to the crown. As you guys see, I do go ahead and I spray my curls with some got to be freezing spray. You guys can use hairspray or any other sort of setting spray that you have. This is just so that the curls last longer. If you don't need them to last as long, I don't really do this step if I'm just having the curls in for a day. But as you guys can see now, I am changing the direction of my curls. So yeah,
I'd rather be smoking weed whenever we breathe. Every time you kiss me, don't say that you miss me. Just come get me. Don't know why, just know I want to.
okay guys, while we are watching me curl this hair, I thought let me give you a small review on this hair. This is, as I've already said, from Africanmall. The hair is 26 inches, 150% density, and a 13x4 lace frontal wig. For the most part, I really love this hair. It's super soft, super bouncy, and as you guys can see, it holds a curl very well. The only issue that I would say that I had with the hair is the fact that it did have quite a few flyaways, which is just shorter hairs in the center of the hair as well as on the crown. But otherwise, very happy with this hair. I would recommend that you get 180% density if you are going to get 26 inches like I did here, as I do feel like the hair could have been more full. But otherwise, definitely love this hair, and I would recommend that you check out the description box if you guys would like to purchase this hair.
Shit. I tried to say hi to your pretty blue eye, but I'm not to your view. Yeah, my friends ask me why did I spend all my time conversating about you. See, I guess it's the way that I dream of your face when I think of us two. I tried to chase, I've been looking for you, but you've been dodging my moves. Señorita, don't wanna text me back, but I'm okay with that. Señorita, you might have set me back, but girl, I'm still on track. Señorita, you never liked my style, I wasn't worth your while. Señorita, wanted to see you smile, but you was oh so fine. See, now I sit in my room, soak up all of my doom while I'm building my...
So now that we are at the top, I will further section my hair and separate the hair that is part of the rest of the wig and the hair where the frontal starts, as you guys can see, just so that I'm able to get more defined curls at the top. You guys will also notice that as I get to the top, my curling pattern will all be in the same direction, not for this bottom part, but at the very top of my head I will have all my curls going in the same direction, and that is just so that the hair and the curls are more uniformed.
Reply with bonjour. Guess you don't know. I am the one that you be looking for. Shine like the sun when I'm headed on tour. You'll realize and reply with bonjour. Señorita, don't wanna text me back, but I'm okay with that. Señorita, you might have set me back, but girl, I'm still on track. Señorita, you never liked my style. I wasn't worth your while. Señorita, wanted to see you smile, but you was oh so fine. Señorita, don't wanna text me back, but I'm okay with that. Señorita, you might have set me back, but girl, I'm still on track. Señorita, you never liked my style. I wasn't worth your while. Señorita, wanted to see you smile, but you was oh so fine. This is for all those that you said I wasn't cool and shit. The bitches ain't suck my dick on a stolen shit. Fuck you, all you stupid hoes ain't shit. I'm the coolest motherfucker in this bitch.
After that is done, you guys will see that I will just finger what do I call it? Finger comb the curls. I'll finger comb the curls just to make them look a lot more natural. As you guys can see, the tight curl look is just really not it. Then I will go ahead with some mousse and I put that on the crown of my head just to make sure that everything lays super duper flat. Following that, I will go ahead and use my hot comb to further flatten the hair and to make sure that everything is super duper sleek at the crown of my hair. You really want the top part of your hair to be very flat so that everything just looks really neat and put together. And that is the end of the look.